Welcome to 3 Emotional YouTube channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of Lightroom. If you're passionate about photography and want to take your editing skills to the next level, you've come to the right place. In this channel, we'll explore the ins and outs of Adobe Lightroom, the industry standard software for photo editing and organizing. Whether you're a beginner looking to grasp the basics or an experienced photographer seeking advanced techniques, my goal is to provide you with valuable insights, tips, and tricks that will help you unlock the full potential of Lightroom. We'll cover everything from importing and organizing your photos to applying stunning presets and making precise adjustments. Join us on this creative journey as we explore various features and different styles, and discover how to bring your images to life with Lightroom. Together, we'll uncover the tools and techniques to elevate your photography and make your photos stand out from the crowd. So if you're ready to embark on this exciting adventure and transform your editing skills, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any of the upcoming tutorials or editing walkthroughs. Get ready to unleash your creativity and take your photography to new heights with Lightroom. Once again, welcome to the channel, and we can't wait to share this incredible journey with you. Let's dive in and create some stunning visuals together. Today, we have an exciting lineup for you, featuring a comprehensive guide on importing presets in Lightroom CC, accompanied by some invaluable tips and tricks for mastering the art of auto masking. Get ready to enhance your editing skills and take your photography to new heights. In our first segment, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of importing presets in Lightroom CC, discover how to effortlessly bring in those presets that will add a touch of magic to your photos, elevating them to the next level. We'll ensure that you're equipped with all the knowledge and techniques needed to make the most out of this powerful feature. But that's not all. In our second segment, we'll dive into the fascinating world of auto masking. Unleash the true potential of Lightroom CC as we unveil essential tips and tricks for harnessing this incredible tool. Learn how to precisely apply adjustments to specific areas of your image with ease, achieving professional-level results every time. Whether you're a beginner seeking a solid foundation or a seasoned photographer looking to refine your skills, this guide has something for everyone. Join us as we unlock the secrets of Lightroom CC, empowering you to create stunning visual masterpieces that leave a lasting impression. So, grab your notepad and get ready to absorb a wealth of knowledge. This is your opportunity to take control of your editing workflow and unleash your creativity like never before. Let's dive in and explore the world of presets and auto masking in Lightroom CC. Get ready to revolutionize your photography. Start by downloading the Lightroom presets you want to import. Presets typically come in a.xmp or .lertemplate file format, then launch Lightroom CC on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version of Lightroom CC installed. Click on the Develop module at the top right of the Lightroom CC interface. This is where you can apply and manage presets. On the left side of the interface, you'll find the Presets panel. If it's not visible, click on the triangle icon on the left to expand the panel. Right-click, Windows, or Control-click, Mac, anywhere within the Presets panel, and a context menu will appear. From the menu, select Import. In the Import dialog box, navigate to the location where you saved the downloaded preset files. Select the presets you want to import. You can select multiple presets by holding down the Shift or Control key, Windows, or the Shift or Command key, Mac, while clicking on the presets. Once you've chosen the presets you want to import, click the Import button in the dialog box. Lightroom CC will then import the presets into your library. After the import process is complete, you'll find the imported presets in the Presets panel. They will be organized into folders based on their file structure. Expand the folders to view the individual presets. To apply a preset to your photo, select the image in the Library module or Develop module, then click on the preset you want to use in the Presets panel. The preset will be applied to the selected photo, adjusting its settings based on the preset. In the right panel, locate the Brush tool or press the K key on your keyboard to activate the adjustment brush. In the Brush panel, check the Auto Mask box. This feature allows Lightroom CC to automatically detect and apply adjustments only to areas similar in color and tone to where you initially click. Before using the brush, adjust the brush settings according to your preference. You can modify the brush size, feathering, flow, and other parameters to achieve the desired effect. Position the brush cursor over the area you want to apply adjustments to, and click and drag to brush over that area. Lightroom CC will automatically detect the edges and boundaries based on the initial click. If needed, you can refine the mask further by zooming in and adjusting the brush size or feathering. This helps to ensure that the adjustment is applied precisely to the desired areas. Once you have brushed over the desired areas and refined the mask, you can proceed to apply adjustments using the sliders in the right panel. You can adjust exposure, contrast, saturation, sharpness, and other settings to enhance the selected area. If you need to make additional adjustments or refine the mask further, you can continue brushing or use the eraser tool to remove adjustments from specific areas. As you make adjustments, keep an eye on the image preview to see the changes in real time. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can move on to other editing tasks or continue fine-tuning the image. As we reach the end of this enlightening journey through Lightroom CC and its incredible features, I want to express my gratitude for joining me on this adventure. I hope that the knowledge and insights shared in this video have inspired you to push the boundaries of your creativity and take your photography to new heights. Remember, the possibilities are endless with Lightroom CC. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow photographers who may benefit from this information. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content and tutorials in the future. Thank you once again for being a part of this community. Keep capturing those breathtaking moments and allowing Lightroom CC to transform your images into true works of art. Until next time, keep exploring, keep clicking, and keep creating stunning visuals. Farewell, and may your photographic journey be filled with endless inspiration and success.